So, Ms. Anand, I guess I'd like to get your thoughts on the theory that I shared with Mr. Liu, which is that in the context of a broad statute that is authorizing tort claims against the government, could it be that what Congress was actually doing with the postal exception was just immunizing the Postal Service for liability for a particular claim? If your tort claim has as its gravamen the loss, miscarriage, or negligent transmission of mail, I'm seeking damages because that happened to my mail, that's out, says Congress. This is my theory. But anything else that you are saying, even though it evolves perhaps as an allegation that those things happened, if your claim is not that, then that's in. I kind of thought that's what Dolan was doing, because in Dolan, I guess there was an allegation that there was the negligent transmission of mail in the sense that it was put on the step in the wrong place. And if she had just come in with no step in, and just said the gravamen of my tort claim, the reason why they breached a duty and did something wrong was because they negligently transmitted my mail, maybe that's out. But Dolan says, no, her claim was really a slip and fall claim. It's a different kind of tort. And so if that's the theory, I'm asking you, is Ms. Konan she has 4 claims. Are they all making the kind of, I'm suing you because you've lost, miscarried, or negligently transmitted my mail claim?
No, Your Honor. 3 of the 4 certainly aren't. Conversion, maybe, though as I've explained, I think it's a very weird result if you say that conversion falls out. And as we pointed out at the bio stage, that makes this a very strange case to think about the meaning of loss and miscarriage, because again, the gravamen of the harm here is, as you note, the kind of campaign of racial harassment.
Which fits, it seems, in the tort. There are tort elements here for intentional infliction of emotional distress that is just the defendant acted intentionally or recklessly, the conduct was extreme and outrageous, and the actions caused the plaintiff severe emotional distress.
That's right, and we think so too with our nuisance claim, and so too with our intentional interference with prospective economic relations. Now, I do want to say, I think that our conversion claim goes forward as well, because again, I think at the point where the government doesn't give you any examples of an ordinary speaker of English, I'm happy to address the reply 9 examples. Justice Sotomayor, I don't even think Foster's is such an example, the one case you pointed to, where they've given you no examples of an ordinary speaker of English saying miscarriage of mail and meaning the postal worker did something wrong. I don't see how you can decide that our conversion claim doesn't go forward as well.
If miscarriage is, I'm sorry.
Go ahead.